Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, this is a question that I get all the time. How do I blend my foundation to make it look more skin-like? So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. If you want to see how I got this eye look, make sure you check that video out. It will be in the cards, okay?
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore.
So, for this look, I'm going to be using several different foundations. I'm going to be using the Mary Kay Bronze W140, the Bronze W120, and the Bronze W110, okay? And I'm going to be putting these in different places on my face so that everything can blend out nicely. And for today and today only, I am applying this on the back of my hand. Usually I'll use a tray or something, but today is a swatch kind of day, so I'm just putting this on the back of my hand. So I have them on the back of my hand, and a little trick with putting the product on the back of your hand is just going to like warm up the product. Some products need that, others don't really need it. So I'm going to take this off just so that I can, get around that lace and everything. If y'all want to see how I applied this unit, that video is available as well. So I'm going to go in with that 140, and I'm basically going to put this around the perimeter of my face, more or less. And you can put it all on at one time, or you can blend this out and then add your next color. It's really up to you. I like to kind of blend as I go. So I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush and just press this into my face. Now you can definitely apply your foundation color all over your face, but if you are trying to save product, which is kind of what I'm trying to do at the moment, you can just put the foundation where it's going to be. So in some of my videos, you have seen me put the 140 all over my face and then highlight, which is perfectly fine. Or you can do it section by section, which is what I'm going to be showing you here. And because I have this unit up here, I'm going to use this smaller brush to help me around this lace. This one is also a Real Techniques brush. So because I did my eyes first, when I do my eyes first, I also do my face a little differently as well. So I need to go around my brows with this 140 to carve out the top. Now I'm going to go in with that 120 and put that a little more toward the center of my face. I'm going to mix some of the 140 and the 120 And now I'm going to sharpen up that liner. And then I'm going to use the same Real Techniques brush and just press this in. If I feel that I need more, I can definitely go in and add a little more. And just keep on going. Now I'm going to go in with this smaller brush to get around my eyes, and I'm going to add some of that 110 under there to further highlight. So I'm using this brush with a little of the product on the back of my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this side. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face. Now to highlight and contour. And for the setting, I use the Mary Kay Bronze number 2 for all over the face and the beige 2 to set my highlighted areas. Now I'm going to go in with some blush, contour, and highlight to finish up the look. So I applied some setting spray. This setting spray by Mary Kay. This is one of my favorites. And now I'm going to finish up my brows. I have to add some brow powder to darken them. And I'm going to apply my lashes in the style Fierce. Okay, so I did the brows, I applied my lashes and everything. These are my lashes in the style Fierce. Okay, I'm gonna keep telling y'all. Okay, the link to my website is in the description bar. So I did my brows. I love the eyeshadow look. Love, love, love. As you can see, I took the wrap off, so the baby hair is laid. Okay, now we got to do something about these lips. Okay, So this is the complete look. As you can see, the face is flawless and popping, okay? The eye look, the lips, everything is just perfect, okay? If you want to see how I did the hairline, the eyes, the face, all of that is available for your viewing. So make sure you watch it, rewind it, whatever you need to do so that you can recreate this look yourself, okay? So I love the look. I love the eyes. It's just everything is good, okay? So make sure that if you guys have any question about the foundation application, how I apply it, how I do the powder, any questions that you guys may have, make sure you put that in the comments so that I can get that information out to you guys. I love this look, y'all. So I'm about to take some cute pictures and then wash my face because I have a lot of things to do today, but I really wanted to get this video out for you all. And I definitely, if you notice, like if you have like peach fuzz on your face, on your cheeks or your upper lip or anything like that, when you do your makeup, you are definitely going to see it. So I haven't really put on makeup in a while. A lot of the things that I have been putting out for you guys is old footage that I have been trying to edit to get out for you. So I can see that I definitely need to shave my face. So if you guys want to see me shave my face, then put that in the comments so I can make sure that I film that for you all. This is the lip that I decided to go with. So if you want to see the other options that Revlon sent me, then make sure you check out that video, okay? So make sure that you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and press that notification bell. Make sure that you keep God first, family second, and career third. And in 2021, we are going to get that play button, okay? So make sure that you are sharing my videos with your friends, families, your co-workers, everybody, okay? Let's get everybody on these Itz Sirap videos so that I can help you all achieve your finished look, okay? Whether it's hair, nails, makeup, the whole nine, okay? So hope you guys have a blessed and prosperous day. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.